Hey bones, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. Hey, let's keep the family growing. So I am inside with my fox. You okay, fox?
Yeah.
Mwah. Love you, Liam.
Love you.
So one of the things that I like to do whenever I visit Rachel, or really when I visit anyone, is cook. Because when it's just me and my son, so I don't really get to host and cook a lot of food. So while Rachel and Lucas are outside, woo, it is very, very bright. So they're outside right now putting up Christmas decorations. I'm going to make dinner. I'm thinking of doing a pork chop. I'm gonna start cooking. I'm gonna make a rice dish and pork chops. Sounds good. So let's go. Okay, so I'm short a lot of ingredients because I'm not at my house, so it is what it is. So we're going to improvise and do the best we can. All right, so I have some red kidney beans. I have my rice. I have some Maggi. I have some coconut milk. You can't even see it. Anyways, it doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna do something. We shall see. Hopefully it tastes good. I put in my oil, and then I'm going to fry up my beans and my Maggi, which is basically like a bouillon cube, chicken bouillon. So I don't have jollof and I don't have any. What are you doing, Bubba? You okay? Me huggy, my love. You okay, Boo Boo? Do you wanna help me cook?
I'm so angry.
You're so angry? Why are you angry? Because of the number 7? Do you want me to help you with number 7?
Yeah.
Can I have a kiss?
Yeah.
Thank you. I asked you for a kiss and you have me kiss you. Whoa. I love you, boo. Alright, help you with number 7. I'm gonna wait for my water to boil. And then I'm going to add my rice. In the meantime, let's work on our pork chop. So this pork chop recipe is like super easy. So all you have to do is heat up your pan, put it on medium high, put in your oil, and we're just going to season our pork chops with like salt, pepper, and like I found this roasted herb garlic seasoning in Rachel and Lucas's pantry, so I'm going to be using that. And I add a little bit of soy sauce to the pork chops. Okay, so I almost burned down the house, but I'm all done. Dinner's almost ready, guys. So, what are you doing? Huh? Rachel! No! You still have my pork chops! Rachel! Get out! Get out! Give us back! Give it back! No, I'm just kidding. Go. Just go. Just eat it and go. But you're not getting any more. Rachel, I'll forgive you if you drop it really, really low. Oh. Really? Lower! 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 Lower!
Look at his face. The kids are playing with the, what do you call that again?
Christmas decoration?
Yeah.
Snowman?
But this is so good. Look at them, come here. He's not gonna over running away.
Oh my gosh. Hello, how do you do?
This is so good.
Am I the best cook ever?
It's good.
I need more enthusiasm. Try again.
No, like, I'm gonna go to sleep. It's just so good. Like, Lord.
Remember I did that prank video and Ashley was talking about how I can't cook because it was spicy. So I need you to like convince my viewers that I'm the best cook you've ever met.
Rachelle almost burned my house down, but it was worth it.
It was like a little smoke, like a little tiny bit of smoke.
It was worth it.
Oh, you have some. Look at this. She's eating my pork chop so much, like boop, just seasoning her forehead.
This is gonna be foggy.
Yeah, it is gonna be foggy. Oh well.
So good.
Alright guys, so we're going to have dinner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Wait, dinner, dinner, chicken winner. How does it go?
Winner, chicken dinner. Winner, chicken. Winner, chicken dinner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Winner, chicken.
Winner, winner. Eat it. Is that smoke? Just kidding. So I'm all done cooking. This is our final plate. So we are going to go ahead and sit down and eat together. Rachel's helping Lily cut up her pork chops. And I'm going to be making my son's plate, getting ready to sit down. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, we are together again. Be as strong as your coffee game. Love you, latte. Bon appetit. Bye boos. Say bye boos.
And then you need this.
Put your hand. Bye boos.